Good morning, everyone. I am Nandini Prakash, and today I will be telling you what order of operations are. First, let's see both of these pictures. In the first one, we can see that all of these cars are driving nicely. Everything is systematic and it is all organized. But in the second one, it's not looking good. No one is following the rules, and it is all looking very bad. So we can see that we should use rules, and that rules will help us to be systematic. Now in mathematics we should also do the same thing. Like in mathematics, we should also follow rules. Let's follow the rules by doing some examples. In the first example, it's written 3 plus 5. That's easy. All we have to do is add 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. In the second example, it's written 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now, there can be two ways in which we can add both of these. In the first way, we can just write 3 plus 5 minus 2. So that means, first let's add 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. And now we will also minus 2 from it. Now 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. In the other way, we can also just do 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now it will be 5 minus 2. So that means 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Now we will add this 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Now in both ways we get the same answer. That's good. Now in the second one, it's written 3 plus 5 times 3. Now we can do this in two ways. First, let's write 3 plus 5 times 3. Now we'll just add both of these. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Now when we multiply it by 3, we will get 24. Now the other way we can write it is 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3. So we'll just multiply 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is equals to 15, and we'll add 3 to it, which is equals to 18. So in both of these ways, we see that they're wrong. Both of them aren't wrong, but they're different. Well, why is this wrong? Let's see. Oh, I think it's because we didn't use the rules. Let's see what the rules are. Here are the rules that we have to follow during operations. Let's see. BDMAS. It spells out BDMAS. BDMAS. Oh, I think I understood. So whenever we are doing any operation, first division will come, then multiplication, then addition, and finally subtraction. So first, when we are doing operations, the first symbol will be division, then the second symbol will be multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, now let's follow these rules with an example. 10 plus 12 divided by 4 times 5 minus 3. Phew, that's big, but we can do it. 10 plus 12. First, it would be division. So, 10 plus 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. 10 plus 3 times 5 minus 3. Now, it will be multiplication. 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15. 10 plus 15 minus 3. Now it will be addition. It will be 10 plus 15 minus 3. 10 plus 15 equals to 25 minus 3. Now at last it's going to be subtraction. 22, because 25 minus 3 is equals to 22. Now, what about brackets? Well, brackets are also treated as a symbol. So we should also add that to the BDMAS rule. So that now will become BDMAS rule. That means brackets will be first of all. Now let's follow these rules with a example. 4 plus 5 times inside of brackets 6 minus 2 divided by 2. Now I want to ask you a question. How many symbols are there in this? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's also one more. These two brackets are also treated as a symbol, I told you. So first it's going to be brackets. Let's do this. 4 plus 5 times 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4, and then it will be divided by 2. Now it's going to be division. 4 plus 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Now it's going to be multiplication. 4 plus 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. So 4 plus 10. Now at last it will be addition. 4 plus 10 is equals to 14. Now you might be wondering where subtraction went, but no, it will not be included as it is inside of the brackets. We don't have to really include that when there's brackets. Now today we learned about operations of order of operations. Now it's time for an exercise. Let's see what today's exercise holds. 8 minus 3 divided by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Whoa, that's big. But we can do this with the help of BDMAS. 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. 5 divided by 5 plus 3 times 2. Now next is going to be division. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. 1 plus 3 times 2. Now multiplication. That means 1 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. 1 plus 6. Now at last addition. 1 plus 6, which is equals to 7. Now today we learned about order of operations. We also learned about BDMAS and how brackets are also treated as a symbol. And we need to remember all about this BDMAS if you want to perform any calculation. Now be sure to watch the next video in which we will learn all about unknown numbers and equations. Thank you. Bye bye.